Hey Bappers, welcome to Code ABAP, where logic meets creativity and learning ABAP becomes more simpler and practical. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most fundamental concepts of SAP implementation, rollout and support project, which is RICEF and WRICEF. So, when someone says I have worked on 5 RICEF objects in ABAP, so it means they actually describing the core technical deliverables of the project. Whether you are in implementation, rollout, or support phase, your work as a developer will revolve around these 5 pillars. Let's decode this step by step. The first one is R. R stands for report. Then another one is I. I is for interface, C for conversion, E for enhancement, and F for forms. Sometimes it also written as WRICEF. In W stands for workflows. These are the type of developments done to meet business requirement that the SAP standard system cannot fulfill these directly. Let's start with reports. Every organization has custom reporting needs. In ABAP, we can create 3 types of reports: classical, ALV, and interactive report to meet the business requirement. These are the bread and butter of ABAP objects and the most common RICEF objects for business. The next one is interface. These connect SAP to other systems. Let's say SAP needs to send invoice data to third-party system or receive employee data from SuccessFactors. So there where interface comes in. But conceptually, it may use the RFCs, iDocs and BAPs. Let's say they making SAP talk to other world. Technically, it may use iDocs, BAPs and RFCs, but conceptually, it's about making SAP talk to other world. The next one is conversion. When a company moves to SAP, they need to migrate their old data like vendors, invoice data, etc., a legacy system into SAP. These are one-time programs created to convert and load data, often during the cutover phase before going live. Let's come to enhancement. This is the place where you modify the SAP behavior without touching SAP core code. So it includes bodies, enhancement spots, user exits, etc. as well. So let's say your client says add validation without saving sales order. So you do using the enhancement safely and upgrade proof. Now let's come to forms. Every business needs invoices, pay slips, etc. So these things can handle the forms can handle the layout and printing part using Adobe Forms, Smart Forms and SAP script. And it is the one of the most visible part of SAP where the user can actually see it works. It is one of the most visible part of SAP where user actually see this in action. Each object is tracked, tested and moved to development, quality, production using transport request. That's how the ABAP code goes live. The most important question, why RICEF matters? If you understand the RICEF means you understand the entire scope of technical work in SAP. Knowing RICEF means you understand the entire scope of technical work in SAP. When you join any interview or project, you confidently say I have worked on RICEF objects, and it shows you understand the real world side of ABAP development. So now you know that RICEF is not just a buzzword, it's a foundation of every SAP object. If this video gave you a clarity, then hit the like button and drop a comment ABAP Buzz. And if you are part of our ABAP Buzz community, then share this video to every ABAP developer and ongoing ABAP developer. And do like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.